Welcome back to Autoz Car, the channel where classic beauty meets timeless power. Today, we are diving into the stunning elegance of the 1953 Cadillac Series 62, a true masterpiece that represents the golden era of American luxury. This car isn't just a mode of transport, it's a rolling statement of class, design, and innovation that changed how the world saw Cadillac forever. The 1953 Cadillac Series 62 came at a time when Cadillac was redefining automotive luxury. With its sleek lines, graceful curves, and chrome accents gleaming from every angle, this car was designed to turn heads on every street it rolled down. The wide front grille, the signature Cadillac emblem, and those eye-catching tail fins gave the Series 62 a style that was both futuristic and regal. It perfectly captured the optimism of the 1950s, a decade when America was dreaming big and driving bold. Under the hood, the 1953 Series 62 was powered by a 331 cubic inch V8 engine delivering around 210 horsepower, a significant figure for its time. The engine was smooth, powerful, and dependable, giving drivers a sensation of effortless cruising. Cadillac engineers were masters of refinement, ensuring that every drive felt like gliding on air. Whether it was cruising down Route 66 or rolling up to a high society event, the Series 62 made a lasting impression everywhere it went. Inside, Cadillac delivered pure luxury. The spacious cabin was wrapped in high-quality materials, with plush leather seats, chrome detailing, and elegant dashboard design. Every switch, knob, and dial was crafted with precision, reflecting Cadillac's commitment to excellence. The automatic transmission, known as the Hydramatic drive, made driving smooth and easy, adding another level of sophistication to the experience. For 1953, Cadillac even offered power steering and power windows, features that were still rare in many other cars of the era. One of the most striking features of the 1953 Cadillac Series 62 was its balance between performance and comfort. It could deliver impressive speed for its size yet offered one of the quietest, most comfortable rides of the decade. The suspension was soft but stable, soaking up bumps and giving passengers a floating sensation that became a Cadillac trademark. The Series 62 wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of success. Owning one in 1953 meant you had arrived in life. Hollywood stars, businessmen, and politicians loved the Cadillac because it spoke of prestige and perfection. Even today, collectors cherish the 1953 Series 62 for its beauty, craftsmanship, and historical importance. Restored models often shine at car shows, admired by enthusiasts who know what true automotive luxury looks like. The 1953 Cadillac Series 62 stands as a timeless reminder of how cars can be both art and innovation, elegance and engineering combined. This Cadillac is more than just a classic, it's a piece of history that continues to inspire car lovers around the world. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Autoz Car.